Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, you are likely to have received a personal invite from one of my friends or partners, and you are only here because they believe that this program would be a good fit for you and would help you change your life by giving you more income. If you're looking for ways to earn money through affiliate marketing easily without spending money on Facebook ads, Google ads, or any form of paid advertising, you are at the right place. Before I go on, I really want to thank all of you and also congratulate all of you for making the right decision to spare some time to watch this short video. I understand that time is the most valuable resource, so I promise you that I will keep this short and your time will not be wasted. At the end of this short video, I will reveal to you what you need to do to start succeeding in affiliate marketing, and I will give you a limited time special offer to the Clickbank Tube Formula program. So here's a little backstory of me. Just like you, I first started learning how to make money online through affiliate marketing. When I first started, I used to do what other gurus always say: sell products that people are selling well and drive traffic using Facebook ads. Because everyone believes that Facebook ads is the way to go back then. As you guys can already guess, I lost more money than I made. Honestly, I didn't even make any money. All my money are spent on running ads and campaigns, but I see no sales. I managed to collect some emails here and there, but I have zero sales. It was only at that point of time I realized that paid advertising methods are not for beginners. If you do not have your own existing email list or customer base, you are better off going to the free route, because you will only be giving away your hard-earned money. So since then, I started exploring free traffic methods. Then I realized the first beauty of free traffic. I can do all the trial and error I want, and it costs me nothing. It's like testing with no risk, compared to running an advertising campaign where I'm losing money every single second, and your mind will never be at peace. So one day, I changed my product selection blueprint a little, and I tried out a new strategy of mine for just over a week, and I finally made my first profit, all with zero advertising and zero cost. Everything is pure profit, and here I'm going to share with you 3 lessons and myths that I've learned. Myth 1. Paid traffic is king. A lot of people believe that paid traffic is better because they can reach much more people. But honestly, what kind of customers are you attracting? You're actually attracting cold traffic that will not buy your product. But for free traffic, it's different. Think about it. If someone were to search for something and reach your site, they are actively looking for a solution, which means they are already warm traffic. You just need a little push and they will convert. Myth number 2. Free traffic is very competitive and saturated, but that is simply not true. It is only saturated if the product you sell is saturated. Think about it. Of course, it will be saturated if you're trying to rank for products such as the Apple iPhone, but no one is telling you to sell that. If you have the right product found with the right method, you will realize that free traffic and SEO takes almost no skill. Which brings me to my last myth. Free traffic is too complicated. People think that to be successful with free traffic, they need to be an expert in SEO or content marketing. This is what they want you to believe, but if you know some simple tips and tricks along with an unsaturated product, it's actually extremely logical and easy to understand. So some of you may be asking right now, how can I get started with this? All of the knowledge you need to get started with affiliate marketing is actually available in the Clickbank Tube Formula program. Inside the members area, you'll be getting the Clickbank Complete Guide. In this guide, you'll discover everything you need to know about Clickbank and how you can start earning money with it, even if you don't know anything about it right now. This guide is normally valued at $197, but I'm going to give you a special discount at the end of this video. The next item you'll be getting is the step-by-step marketing blueprint, which is valued at $197. This blueprint is the exact same blueprint that I used to promote Clickbank products with completely free traffic, earning my first dollar online. This brings the total value of the course to $394. Next, you are also going to get the Email Funnel Profit Secrets Guide. This guide is also valued at $197. In this module, you will learn how to use Sales Funnel to continuously profit from your existing customers with email. We all know that selling to your existing customers is always cheaper than acquiring a new one. So in that module, you will learn how to do that. On top of all of these high value items, as a bonus, I will also provide all of you with some of the easy to use done for you funnels and email swipes that are proven to convert. This will save you time to create these contents from scratch to get you up and running in your journey. Last but not least, it will be the most valuable training you will ever get. A lot of people say that I'm crazy, but I'll be giving you a free 4 days online training covering various different free and paid methods to make money online with ClickFunnels. This program is created together with a ClickFunnels super affiliate. A super affiliate is someone who have made more than $1 million with ClickFunnels. If you want to find out how, it's all inside the free 4 days online training. Honestly, this bonus training alone is worth more than what you are going to pay. So as you can see here, the total value of the products is around $725. And normally this whole package is retailed at $297. But here's the deal. I can make it very expensive so I can limit the number of people who can receive this knowledge. Or I can make it very affordable so more people can benefit from this very simple strategy. After thinking for a while, I've decided to make it affordable at the price of only $47, but I am only limiting it to the first 300 people. So if you are interested, you may register with the links from this page. I really don't know when will I be increasing the price. So if you are interested, I would suggest you to take action now. Think about it. You are going to spend this money anyways. You could easily spend it with your friends on drinks this weekend, but what does that really get you? Why not just for this once, you spend it on your own personal development, on income producing activities? If all this does was to give you an extra $100 every month, would it be worth it for you? If all this does was to give you more money to spend with your loved ones, would that be worth it? I will leave the decision to you, but here is the offer once again. You will be getting the Clickbank Complete Guide, the step-by-step marketing blueprint, email funnel profit secrets, all the sales funnel and swipes, and last but not least, the free 4 days online training created by a super affiliate. All of these at the price of just $47 for a limited time. Once again, I want to thank all of you for staying till the end of this video. Now all you need to do is to take massive actions. For those who are interested, I will see you on the other side.